Okay, you got your tires installed. The first thing I do, if you haven't done it already, is ensure that your tire is facing the right direction. There's an arrow on the tire. Usually you can match it up with the arrow on the brake caliper or on your rim. Before you install your wheels, go ahead and tape them up. That way you don't get any scratches on them while you're installing your calipers. Before I install the wheel, I always like to just get a real good cleaning in. It's a lot easier with the wheel off, so just take a few minutes and go ahead and clean everything out. It's a good time to clean your calipers, your forks, and the rim since it's off the bike. Clean all the old grease off your axle and any contaminants that may have stuck to it, and go ahead and reapply some new grease. Grab your wheel. The ABS ring should be on the left side of the bike. Go ahead and line it up. Make sure that you have that spacer as well. Get your wheel lined up and go ahead and slide the axle through. Go ahead and get your calipers on. Everything at this point is just hand tight. Once we get it off the stands, we'll torque everything down to spec. So just get it hand tight for now. Additionally, go ahead and connect your ABS sensor back on as well. And then take your bike off the front stand only. After you remove the front jack, go ahead and secure the brake line to the mount. It's going to be a T30 Torx. Attach the fender with a T25 Torx. I use a light coat of Loctite for this. It's up to you whether you want to do that or not. Okay, before you get your bike off the rear stand, just make sure that your kickstand's fully down and seated in the forward position, and then go ahead and take your bike off the rear stand. Okay, once it's off the stand, we're going to go ahead and torque everything down to spec. Check your individual manual to make sure it's the correct torque specs for your bike. This is for a 2013 S1000RR. Manual is going to be pages 121 to 123, and I will list the torque specs as we go through it. Torque down the front axle, 37 foot-pounds or 50 newton meters. Torque down your pinch bolts, 14 foot-pounds, 19 newton meters. Remember to go back and forth on these. As you tighten one, the other one may loosen a little bit, so go back and forth and check to make sure that they are both to spec. Torque down your calipers, 28 foot-pounds, 38 newton meters. Remember to go back and forth on these as well. Remove the masking tape if you taped your wheels. Before you go out riding, make sure you pump your brakes. And also remember that you're riding on a brand new tire and they need to break in before you get too crazy. Thanks for watching.